Hi everyone, this is a quick run through of some ephemera that I've put together but it will actually suit both Scribe and Painter kits that I've got on my Etsy shop. A lady emailed me to ask me if had I done anything, and I have to admit I hadn't even thought about it, so apologies for that. There are 9 pages altogether, so if I run through them, the first page is I use these as pockets, but they could equally be used as cut out and used as clip-ons, sort of paper clip them to your pages, just for a bit of added embellishment. They could be used as a top tuck, they could be used as a side tuck, or as a pocket at the bottom, whichever way. There are so many sort of variables that you can use these with. So that's page 1. Page 2 are conventional pockets. So to cut out, obviously the sides need to be folded in and then glued down. So that's those 4. And then there is page of large tags. So 4 large tags on that one. And then I went a bit overboard with large envelopes. So there are actually 3 different large envelopes to go with it. Now these, you could print them off, cut those out and use that bit as a pocket, or you can use them in the centre of a signature if you wanted to hide your knot in the middle, or just merely assembled and perhaps paper clipped over the edge of a page, or just use that as an embellishment. So that's the first envelope. That's envelope number 2, and that one is number 3. Excuse me. And then there are 3 note cards. Now they can be cut up, or that one can be folded in half, or it could actually, I suppose, that one actually be made into a large side pocket. Choices are endless. And then to finish it off, there are 2 water. Now these one, I will say, all I've done is I've printed these on plain cardstock. So that's how they've come out. And then the last 2 pages are watermark pages. So very faint images that can easily be written on, which I tend to use in the centre of a signature. If I haven't got a big sort of image to put in there, I'll put one of these in the centre. It just helps brighten it up. So that's the first one, and that's the second one. They are listed on my Etsy shop. Like I say, apologies to the lady, Gloria her name was. I hadn't even thought about ephemera. So obviously they can all be resized once you've sort of downloaded them. They can all be resized and used for whatever purposes you like, and they will go with both kits. So there is an added advantage to that. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you all later. Take care. Bye-bye.